my God, what are you doing? Can you please stop this?
Sister, how is my dry?
You are making the wall dirty.
I don't draw pictures.
I got an idea. Hey, look at this.
What is this?
Wait, let me show you.
Okay.
This easel is available at Tutu Toys. You can purchase it from our showroom. Now it has become very simple for you all to purchase from Tutu Toys. You just have to install Tutu Toys online shopping app from App Store or Play Store. Or there is one more way. You can go to our website. Just visit our website www.tutuonline.com. You can enter into our website or our online shopping app and search eSell. Thus, it's really easy for you to purchase, and there are variety of other collections also. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just grab it for your little friends.